In this video, I'll show you how to repost Facebook stories. First, open the Facebook app and navigate to the story you want to repost. Tap on the story to open it. Next, tap the Share Story button or the Share icon if it's available. If the original creator allows resharing, you'll have the option to repost the story to your own Facebook story. You can make any edits you'd like before sharing, then tap Share to publish it. If you don't see the repost option, you may still be able to share the story through Messenger or copy its link, depending on the privacy settings chosen by the original creator. Keep in mind that you can only repost stories if the original creator has enabled story sharing, or if you've been tagged in the story. If these permissions aren't available, Facebook won't provide the option to repost it. This feature may also vary depending on your region, account, app version, or Facebook's latest rollout. And that's how to repost Facebook stories. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.